Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dmitry Tumaykin is my surname. I work and live in Moscow, Russia. I'm a Russian myself, which is why you might have noticed my Russian accent already. Sorry for all my future grammar mistakes or that I'm speaking too slow, except for this video. It's exceptional because it's first. Next videos will be a little bit slower. I don't think that fast in English as I do in Russian. Though my slow speech I hope will only help better explain stuff. So, what this channel is all about? It's about a Microsoft Excel add-in that I've created. This add-in contains a lot of instruments to work with text data. That's why there will be a lot of videos. I really have a ton of stuff to share. I'm a search engine marketing specialist, as you can see on this web page that I've created. I've been doing pay-per-click advertising and search engine optimization for about 6 years now. This job involves a lot of work with text data, words and phrases, to automate routine stuff while working with it. I try to find Excel tools that would make my life feel not so terrible while I'm working, and I've never found ones. I mean, I've found some small instruments for small tasks, but never found multifunctional solutions, especially for Excel. That's why I started learning how to make my own stuff in Excel with VBA programming language. That eventually led to creating hundreds of macros and functions which I accumulated in this Excel add-in. I shared it with my colleagues and they told me, Dmitry, it's a fantastic set of tools, you should distribute it all around the world. And that's what I'm basically doing right now. So, to say it short, if you spend at least 1 hour a day working with text data, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, because I promise you won't regret. There will be a lot of useful stuff for you. And in the next video, I'll make a short introduction to SEMTools add-in and what it can do. By the way, here it is. Watch the next video.